Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Revolution. Before we jump in, remember this isn't financial advice and you should always do your own research. If you'd like to try Kalshi Perps, you can trade $50 using my affiliate link below to receive a bonus, subject to eligibility. Today, I'll show you just how simple it is to place your first trade. Once you've downloaded the Kalshi app and created your account, you'll be able to access Kalshi Perps, which are CFTC regulated in the US. From there, choose the market that you'd like to trade, decide whether you think the price is likely to move higher or lower, choose your position size and multiplier, then review your order before confirming it. Multipliers increase your market exposure, meaning they can amplify both potential returns and potential losses, so it's important to understand how they work before using them. After your trade is opening, you can monitor it in real time and close it whenever you decide. As always, every trade involves risks, so never trade more than you're comfortable losing. If you're new to Kalshi, it's a very straightforward process once you've done it once. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.